Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to bring the power of Pinterest directly into your WordPress website, today's guide is exactly what you need. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to embed pins, boards, or even your full Pinterest profile seamlessly into your site. This is a powerful way to boost your visual strategy, increase engagement, and make your website look more dynamic in 2025. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your WordPress site. Open your browser, type in wordpress.com and log in. To make things quicker, you can click Continue with Google and choose the account connected to your site. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, look to the right side of the screen. You'll see a panel called Quick Links. Click on Edit Site. This will open the editing view where you can add or customize your website's content. Now it's time to add Pinterest. On the top left corner of the editor, click the plus button, also known as the Add Block button. A search box will pop up. Simply type Pinterest into that search bar. You'll see the Pinterest block option appear. Go ahead and select it. This creates a new block in your editor, and here's where the magic happens. You can paste in a Pinterest link, whether that's a single pin, a full board, or your entire profile. Once you add the link, the block instantly generates an embedded version that displays beautifully on your WordPress page. You can move this block anywhere on your page layout and even customize the placement to match your design. Once you're satisfied, click Update or Publish to make it live. That's it. Now your visitors can explore your Pinterest content directly from your website without having to leave the page. This simple integration is not only great for aesthetics, but also helps keep your brand visually consistent across platforms. Plus, it encourages your audience to engage with your Pinterest presence, which can boost traffic both ways. And there you have it, the full 2025 guide to embedding Pinterest into your WordPress site. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step business and website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.